Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Arbour Lake, a beautiful residential neighborhood in the northwest part of Calgary, Alberta. It's unique because it features Calgary's only private lake that residents can use for swimming, boating, and fishing. Arbour Lake has grown into a popular, family-friendly area with schools, shopping, and scenic views of the Rockies on clear days. The community is designed with lots of green space and pathways, and is a great example of how Calgary blends nature and neighborhood living all in one place. Calgary itself is the largest city in Alberta and sits where the Bow and Elbow rivers meet, right at the edge of the Canadian Rockies. Calgary grew quickly during the late 1800s thanks to the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway, and later became a center for the oil and gas industry. Today, it's known for its mix of urban life and natural beauty, with easy access to mountains, parks, and rivers. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.